Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an item hooper in Minecraft. Alright, so let's get started. First, you're going to go into the crafting table and you're going to need some planks. Once you've got a chest, you're going to place that in the middle and you're going to place some iron ingots like this, and you got your item hooper. So how do you use it? So we're going to need another chest, guys. Now that we have the chest, we're going to place the item hooper that we just made onto it. So to place it onto the chest, you have to shift and place it onto the chest. If you do it while standing up, it won't work because it will just open the chest. So let's throw something in here. So let's see. And as you can see, it went into the chest. So you can use this with many items. You can use it with the furnace. All right, let's see what happens. When you use a hooper with a brewing stand, if you place the hooper next to it, and if you place the hooper on top of it, and let's see what do we need here. So as you can see, the brewing stand is empty right now. So we're going to throw some stuff in there. So let's get our stuff, and we're going to use what we're going to use here. And we're going to need some blaze powder. So if you put the buffer fish on the top, let's see what happens. See, the puffer fish landed in there. All right. And then the side, if you put the blaze powder, and the blaze powder is in there. So that's another way that you can use a hooper. If you put a minecart and a hooper, you get a minecart with hooper, and that's how you use a hooper in Minecraft. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.